So once you have all the clips that you want here, you can get this view. Once you have all the clips that you want here, the next thing that you'll want to do is cut out the parts that are not interesting or the parts of your videos that have mistakes in them. So that's important to do. For example, if you say all the time, maybe you can cut that out of your video for the final version. So I will show you there are two ways to cut out some parts of your videos. So I will show you both ways to do it. The first thing that you need to do is to click on the clip that you want to work with. So for example, for this one, when I click on it, you see the outside becomes yellow. So this is the clip, the video that I'm working with. So I'm clicking on this. What you should do is to listen to your video, see if there are any errors, and see how much you want to cut out of the video. So click on the play button here and just listen to the video. So in this case, maybe I want to cut out the beginning of the video. So I'm going to click on it, it becomes yellow, and then what I can do is I can put my finger here on the beginning if I want to cut the beginning. So I can just click on the yellow part and move it like this. So I'm removing the beginning of the video until I'm okay. So I cut out a little bit of the beginning of the video so I don't have it anymore. So just to show you again, you put your finger on your clip like this. So I put it on the clip like this, it's yellow, and then I take this part and I'm shaving off some images like this. So this is the first way to do it. The second way that you can cut some part of your video is to actually click on the video and listen to it. So as you're listening to the video, you see what's happening, and then you can decide when you want to cut. So I'm listening to the video and I'm thinking, okay, here is where I want to cut the video. So if I, for example, I'll play it and then I'll click on the pause button when I want to stop. So I'm going to stop the video here, and then I click on my clip, and then I get the options that we saw earlier. The option that you want to look at right now is actually scinder here. Scinder, what it means is that it will cut the video in half. Ça fait comme couper comme un ciseau dans le milieu de la vidéo. Puis on va avoir une partie du vidéo avant et une partie du vidéo après. So you will get two different videos instead of one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on scinder and you will see what happens. So now I have two different videos on each side. So this is perfect. And what I can do now is that if I want to get rid of this video over here, because it's not very important, then I can click on it and then I can just go and supprimer. So the second option makes it easier for you to know exactly where to cut, because when you click on play here and then you pause it like this and you think, okay, this is where I want to cut, then you can be very precise. So again, you click on pause and then you click on scinder, and then you will get two different videos instead of one. And then you can click on the video you do not want and then click on supprimer. So this is the way, both ways to edit your videos so that you can cut some parts out of the video. The next thing I want to show you how to do is how to add titles or subtitles to your videos, to add some words, to add some information. So the first thing that you want to do to add titles is that you can actually use images from your video, like this one. This one is a picture. So I'm just going to click on the picture. And then in the options at the bottom here, I have titre right here with a big T. So if I want to add some writing, some words on my image, I can just click on titre over here. And then when you have titre, you have many options to choose from. So you can choose whichever one that you like. For this one, I can choose gravité, which is in the middle here. So when I click on this, you will see some letters will appear on the screen here. Titre ici. So what you're going to do is click on titre ici, and then you can change the title. For example, this one would be dishes. That would be my title. So if I play the clip, we see the title appears all the way throughout the time that the image is there. So that's one way that you can do that. You can also add titles to videos, to clips. So for this one, I could choose to add Standard or Prisme, for example. So I have Prisme over here that I chose, and then I have the title there, and I can change it to what I'm holding in my hands, pasta. Okay, so once I've added a title like this one, there's also something else I can do, is to actually put either the title in the middle, centré, or put the title at the bottom of the image, inférieur. So if you click on inférieur, you will see that the title changes area here. I'm just going to remove this one. Now I have two. All right, so you'll see that the title will go in the bottom of the screen rather than in the middle. So you can choose that. So when you pick a title, you can choose centré or inférieur. It's your choice. So that's how you add title to a clip. The last thing that you can do is actually take a photo and add a title to it. So what you can do is click on the plus sign here, and you are back in these options. So go into your photos. And me, I have some photos that are just black so that I can add some titles on black. So I'm just going to pick this. So they put my picture before me holding the pasta. So when I click on the image here, then I get the same choices as before. So I'm going to choose this one here because it lets me add two things. So then I can go ahead and click on this and write maybe my name. And then at the bottom change it and then just say the title, the name of the dish that I'll be cooking. So once I've done that and I'm happy, then I can go ahead and watch. So then it will look a little bit like this. You can add as many titles as you want on the images, on the clips, on the videos. So if you want to add some extra information, please do so. And then just make sure that you make no mistakes when you write. So that's it for the titles that you can add to your videos. The next thing that we can talk about are more advanced options. So please watch the other videos if you are interested in adding sound, transitions, and other effects to your videos. Otherwise, this should be good for you. Thank you for listening and have a great day.